Hi, this is Jeanette. I wanted to share with you a quick tip on how you can actually use your affiliate link when you're pinning something from one of our sales pages. Now, first of all, let's just do a quick review of Pinterest, which is the hottest growing social media site. Pinterest essentially is a collection of visual media that people have found attractive for one reason or another, and other people either like it, comment on it, or they repin it. So you can see that here you have a choice when you're looking at a pin. You can either repin it, like it, or comment on it. So when you are creating pins, you're looking around the web, you are going to install, after you've set up your Pinterest account, you're going to install this Pin It button in your browser. So what that means is that anytime you're on a website, you find something you like, you can just pin it. So that goes into your account, and for example, your account is organized as boards, and inside the boards are different pins. So my boards have different topics on each of them. You, of course, name your own boards, and then based on those boards, you're able to pin different things. Now, when you're pinning something, if someone clicks on that pin, so for example here, this is a pin that I just pinned a few minutes ago. So if somebody were to look at that and they wanted to click on that image, it comes up in a light box up on top. And then if you click even further on that, it's going to go back to the website that that image came from originally. So that's really good news for you as a marketer, because it means that when you're pinning images from a site, people will end up back at that site with the URL that you want them to use. So let's go over and take a look at how you might pin from one of our sales pages. Now I'm going to go to our new designyouronlinecourse.com, and if you'll scroll down a page, remember this is all visually based when you're pinning something. When you scroll, you'll see I've got a graphic here. If you scroll down further, there's some graphics of the various different modules. Okay, so those aren't real exciting, nothing to inspire anybody there. Here's one, a screenshot that's probably not going to get a lot of attention on Pinterest. Here's a picture of me, probably not going to get a lot of interest there. But if we get all the way to the bottom, what you're going to find is that below the sales letter itself, I've added some quotes. Now, I went back into the course itself and I pulled some of my favorite quotes out of it, things that I thought might get some attention over on Pinterest, because the whole idea of Pinterest is that you're going to post something and then other people are going to like it well enough to want to repin it, and that's how it kind of goes viral. So when you're putting up something like a quote, you want to have something that's good enough that other people would want to repeat it. So that's why I pulled these particular quotes. I just added the graphics down here at the bottom of the page. So essentially what you're going to do is that you can come up here. When you click on Pin It on this page, it means that there's something on this page you want to pin. And then instead of choosing one of the sales graphics up here, which I can pretty well guarantee isn't going to get you any traffic at all, instead you can choose to pin one of these down here at the bottom. So I click to pin it, and then a little box will show up asking where I want to put this particular pin. So in this case, I'm going to add this one to my online learning, since it talks about online learning. So I'm going to add this to my board called Online Learning. In fact, I'll ask, do you have a course? And then I'm going to click to pin it. Now right there you can see your pin. You can tweet about your pin, for example, if you want to. I'm going to see my pin. And it's going to show me what my pin looks like. And the cool thing about that is when I click on that pin again, what it's going to do is it's going to take me over to the page that it came from. So the exciting thing about that is all somebody has to do is click on the image and they're going to be right back over here. Now here's the catch, however, is that you want to come back in here and you want to edit this particular pin. So what you're going to do is you're going to click to edit the pin. Because if you just pin it directly from the sales letter, you see that the URL that it has is the straight sales letter. You're not going to get any affiliate credit for that. So what you need to do is after you've pinned something, then come back in and edit that particular pin. I'm going to come over here onto the toolbox, designyouronlinecourse.com/toolbox. I'm going to put my affiliate ID in there right there. I'm going to show my affiliate codes. So right here at the top is a place where you can just grab this particular URL. This is your affiliate ID. Okay, so I'm going to just copy that affiliate link, and then I'm going to come back over here where I put this, and I'm going to change the link so that it shows my affiliate ID. Then when I save my pin, anytime somebody clicks on this particular object, this pin, they're going to actually end up over at the sales site with my affiliate ID. And that's exactly what you want to do, is anytime you're pinning something from a sales page, you want to use your affiliate ID, but you have to go in and edit that pin in order to use that. So it's a very simple process. First, make sure you have a Pinterest account. Second, go to the page where you want to pin something. Once it's pinned, edit the pin and add your affiliate ID right down here. Now I'm going to take my affiliate ID out primarily because I want to just send straight traffic over there. Since it's my sales page, I don't see any point in using an affiliate ID. I could, but it means that if anybody else pins it, it's going to use my affiliate ID and it's going to be hard for you to get yours in there. So I'm just saving the pin without the affiliate ID just for your benefit, but just strictly again so that when you add your affiliate ID over here, it's going to be much easier for you. So again, make sure you have a Pinterest account. Go to the page that you want and pin something from there. Come back in after you've pinned it and edit that and add your affiliate ID into that link. And that's all there is to it. Happy pinning!